how to buy Robux from eldorado.gg. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Roblox from eldorado.gg. So first thing first, head over to your browser and simply open the eldorado.gg official website, and once you are inside here, just make sure you're signed into your account and simply head over to Roblox option. And once you're in the Roblox account section, simply click on the items that you want to buy, and once you click on it, simply click on the buy now option. Once you do click on that, it will redirect you to the checkout option, and you can also pay it with the credit card or debit card if you have one, or if you prefer cryptocurrency, you can also pay it through that. So once you do that, click on continue to do payment, and once you do that, it will ask you to enter your first name, last name, billing details. For the billing details, address, city, zip code, country name, and your, of course, your card number and other card details like this. And once you do that, once you fill that out, you can simply pay the required amount, and that is exactly how you buy the Roblox from eldorado.gg. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you.